be. Tete, be. Yay.
Huwag na magsantak, bahala na.
Huwag na.
Pero kasi, ayoko yung magkaka-wrinkles kasi. Yun yung sabi ng mom ko.
Nga, pag siyang naarawan.
Pero wala naman araw.
Oo nga.
It's gonna come. It's gonna come.
It's gone.
It better come. Did you put something? Ocean. Ocean. Ocean lang. Oo. Voice is gone. So, hindi ka nadala yung star ko. May star pa ako. Na belly ring.
Tuwing kailan mo pinapalitan?
Tuwing gusto ko, ha?
Tuwing naaalala mo lang?
Or nasasawa na ako. Bakit?
Yung tatlo.
Bakit?
Wala lang, cute-cute yung tatlo.
Strumming my pain with his fingers. With his
It goes dark, medium, silver, white.
killing me softly with his words, killing me.
Grabe to, oh. First time ever nangyari sa akin to.
Oh, that's crazy.
Whoa. Tapos, yung weird, I didn't feel it sa pool when Vigo grabbed the ball. Just after. I
Ahead of my
felt this
game.
one. I felt this one. I don't know, maybe. Ito. Compared dito. Grabe yung green na color, ewan ko.
Oo. Parang ang purple eh. Purple. Wait.
Kailangan ko mag-ship.
Gusto ko na magpawak.
Gusto ko nga din.
Kuya, nakakadiri na po.
Ups.
Please. Gosh, Pamu! LSS tuloy ako. Laugh with his words, killing me softly.
Estranghero at
Shave
naglalakay
muna kaya.
upang ilarawan ang panandalian. Pamamalagi natin sinabi ang buhay ko sa daigdig at nasa matagalak. Pinaliwanag mo na ni Pedro.
Telling my whole life
Bilang
softly with his song. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sino magsiswimming?
Wala. Ice cream eating ata.
Si
Ay, hindi.
gusto mo magpa-wax. Grabe. Lahat ng...
For a guy, ang tagal mag-prepare ni Seiji.
Oo, no. Siya yata mas vini yata siya kaya.
Oo. Kay Kevin.
Seryoso. Every time ko siya nakikita maglakad, I mean, magkasalubong ko,
Oo.
lagi siyang titingin sa mirror, tapos gagawin.
Go.
Yung ilong niya, ginagano niya. Oo, kaya, pansinin mo. Ginagano niya.
Yung...
Iniipit niya.
Yung facial expression niya. Mga ganun pa yun eh. Mga ganun pa yun.
Ba't kaya?
gosh. I need a new song.
What's that song that you always sing?
Said I loved you, but I lied.
Boy.
This is more than love I feel inside.
Hasn't died pa. Right?
Hmm?
Hasn't died pa. He'll sing it.
Pati yung isa pang song. Said I loved you, but I lied. This is more than love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong.
Intense yung ginawa ni David sa amin.
Bakit?
Sobrang
Sobrang
intense.
intense.
Paano ba? Anong
As
ginawa
in,
niya?
real training talaga ng basketball player.
Oh.
Oo. Yung mga nakikita ko ang ginagawa ng mga team.
Ganun talaga.
It's
Yung
just,
ginagawa.
we did a more fun.
Yeah.
More fun. The real
Pero
one is
namumutla
different.
ako. Hindi, seryoso.
Oh.
I didn't breathe. I was like,
Ako namumutla ako. Di ba yung morning na yun, namumutla ako.
Oo, nung pagbalik nyo.
Sobrang,
Ganun kayo eh. Nung pagbalik nyo dito. Tagal nyo nawala yung mga 2 to 3 hours. Mga 2 hours.
God damn.
Oo. Mga 2
ako
hours.
nakatulog na ako, lahat.
This is what love I feel inside.
Yun na yung araw, malapit na. Grabe dati, ganun.
Dali yan. Candy shop.
It's the candy shop.
It's like a lollipop. Go girl, don't you stop. Go until you hit the spot. Whoa.
Mas grabe kaya. Pag ginaguard ka ba ni David, ginaganon ka? Yeah?
I don't know.
Silang dalawa. Nang gaganon.
I always do that when you guard someone.
Yeah?
Oh, you push them here.
Talaga?
Talaga?
So they know that you're behind
Pero-
them. So they know that they have to avoid you. I always do that.
Pero hindi ba yung holding or something? Di ba bawal mag-ano? Dapat
No, you
ganun-ganun
can't
lang.
do that. But you can do that.
Hindi ba yan?
Pati daw yung ganon, pwede daw yun. Ganyan. As long as hindi mo gaganunin.
It's just defend. It's like you're defending yourself.
Ganyan.
Because
Okay
if
lang.
they
Baka
run
mag-move back.
backwards,
Oo.
then you're.
Ah.
It's like so they know that you're there.
Ay, sorry.
Si Kuya Iting kasi iba eh.
Oo. Full on ano yun eh.
Come on, son. Just a little bit more. Come on.
Grabe.
Oo, gusto ko na magpa-wax, kuya. Kadiri na.
Grabe.
Bakit? Nakita mo ni Mine?
Ewan ko.
Bakit?
Grabe naman kasi, oh.
Gusto ko na. Tsaka gusto ko na maligo ng mga 30 minutes.
Ako din.
40.
Yes, son. You're coming out.
Na.
Ready.
Ayan na. Bakit? Anong difference?
Ewan ko dyan.
Mas flat.
Mas tutok naman dito.
Hmm?
It's...
I want my face.
Yeah, but it's like...
Oh.
Yung neck siguro kasi natatakpan or something.
I don't know.
Ay, sarap.
Tumahimik.
Waiting for the sun.
Oh, man. May linya.
Go girl, don't you stop.
Take me to the candy shop. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Sarap.
Pag nakatulog tayo,
Mm-mm.
pagising po lang pala for sure.